What's the conversation? Coming back home. Coming back home. Coming back home from coaching. Coming back home from school. Coming back home from market. Coming back home from farm. From college. From anywhere. Okay, like coming back. Coming back home is घर वापस आना. From anywhere. Okay, कहीं से भी आप वापस आ सकते हो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so condition इसके लिए in which condition we have to use this conversation? Coming back home from somewhere. कहीं से घर पे वापस आना. So two characters are there, like you and your mom.
You
and your mom. It could be in place of mom. It could be someone else also, like your father, your brother, your sister. It could be anyone.
कोई पूछ सकता है तो.
हाँ. But now we are assuming is and like you and your mom. So as soon as you will just get into home, जैसे ही आप घर के अंदर आते हो, what will you say first? Mom, I am home. मम्मी मैं घर आ गया. So what will your mom reply?
पापा होंगे तो
What?
father I am home.
हाँ, okay. So now the condition is like we are just discussing about you and your mom's conversation. So as soon as you will come home, जैसे ही आप घर पे आते हो, like मम्मी मैं घर आ गया. So मम्मी मैं घर आ गया. Mom, I am home. Mom, I am home. So what will your mom say? हाँ बेटा चलो ठीक है आपका घर पे स्वागत है या welcome. So your mom will say welcome home dash. Then your name. Okay, welcome home.
Dash.
Yeah. Then whatever your name is, so welcome home dash. Okay, so this one is clear. घर पे आपका स्वागत है बेटा. So welcome home dash. Okay. Then what's the next dialogue here? Then it's your dialogue. Or sorry, your mom will say like आपका दिन कॉलेज में कैसा था? कॉलेज में आपका दिन कैसा था? So how was your day in college? कोचिंग में आपका दिन कैसा गया या कोचिंग में आपका दिन कैसा था? How was your day in कोचिंग? कॉलेज में आपका दिन कैसा गया या कॉलेज में आपका दिन कैसा था? How was your day in college? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you have to reply like मेरा दिन कोचिंग में बहुत ही अच्छा था. My day was great in coaching. मेरा दिन कॉलेज में बहुत ही अच्छा था. My day was great in college. मेरा दिन पार्क में बहुत ही अच्छा था. My day was great in park. This dialogue is clear. Second, if you have to say ये बस ऐसा ही था, कुछ खास नहीं था. So it was just okay. It was just okay. It was just okay means कुछ खास नहीं, ऐसा ही था. So it was just okay. So this dialogue is clear. It was just okay. After that again your dialogue, मम्मी मुझे बहुत ही भूख लगी है. So well mom is अच्छा मम्मी. I am so hungry. मुझे बहुत ही भूख लगी है. Then your mom is saying, okay, you get fresh first. ठीक है, आप पहले जाओ और fresh हो जाओ. Okay, so okay, you get fresh first. Okay, you get fresh first. पहले जाके आप fresh हो जाओ. Then he said, okay mom. आपने क्या कहा? ठीक है मम्मी. Then you will go, you will get fresh. And after coming back, वहाँ से वापस आने के बाद you will say, Mom, I have got fresh. मम्मी मैं fresh हो गया. Is food ready? क्या खाना तैयार है? Okay, क्या खाना तैयार है? Then your mom said, yeah, हाँ, food is ready. हाँ, खाना तैयार है. Okay. Then well mom, what's in breakfast? You are asking ठीक है मम्मी breakfast में क्या है? Like आपने breakfast में क्या बनाया है? आपने dinner में क्या बनाया है या आपने like lunch में क्या बनाया है? So well mom, what's in breakfast? Well mom, what's in dinner? Well mom, what's in lunch? Then whatever the dish is like dal chawal.
Sir, 3 dish हो तो rice, dal and chawal.
हाँ, rice, dal and chawal means
Rice, dal and chapati.
could be okay like rice, dal and chapati. Whatever the dish is, your mom will just reply that. Okay.
Okay.
Then you have to say, okay mom, I am super hungry. I'm super hungry means
बहुत भूखा हूँ.
मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा भूख लगी है. Give me food now. अब मुझे खाना
जल्दी से खा लो.
हाँ, अब मुझे खाना दे दो. Okay mom, I'm super hungry now. Give me food. Or okay mom, I'm super hungry. Give me food now. So mom said, okay, just wait a minute. Just wait a minute means ठीक है.
कुछ मिनट मिनट
बस
एक
1
मिनट।
मिनट रुको, बस 1 मिनट रुको।
सर 1 मिनट क्यों, वहाँ तो आ लिखा है।
हाँ,
आप
means 1 minute is a minute, not 1 minute. 1 minute is also okay, but wait a minute. Okay, when you will say
हाँ
this 1
मिनट
minute,
सर, ओके सर।
1 minute रुको, so just
Okay,
wait
just wait a
a
minute.
minute. 1 second रुको, wait a second.
Wait a
2 minute रुको, wait for 2 minutes. Okay, more than once, so you have to use for. Wait for 2 minutes, wait for 5 minutes. 10 minute रुको,
बेटा 10 मिनट।
wait for.
Wait.
If the time is going more than 1, अगर 1 से ज़्यादा जा रहा है, then what we have to say? For. Wait for 10 minutes. Is this clear?
Yes sir.
So now is it clear?